Hello friends, in my first video let me show you how my SMD workstation arranged. In my first video I'm going to show you all the components and the equipments I have arranged in this congested passage because I don't have a big space to do my SMD soldering, so I had to make this workstation very small, very compact. So I'm going to show you how I arrange this my SMD soldering workstation. Let me show you the equipments and things first. Thank you. So this is my one of soldering iron, and there's another soldering iron, the equipment here, and my rework station, and some soldering. This is the lead-free soldering wire, and this is with lead and solder wick, and this is the important thing, soldering flux, and to wash clean the soldering tips, a bit of this brass wires, and this pad, and very important tweezers, different type of tweezers, and this is very essential equipment. Even though this is a nail cutter, I use this for cut my the components, the terminals, and rework station, hot air gun, and this is a very nice soldering iron. This is I can use. This is like a pen torch, like, but this is very essential. This is very useful when I do a small repair. I can take this anywhere. This is, I'll show you later videos how to use this one, and I hold my SMD PCBs in this hold. These are like magnets, and this is another very useful equipment, my microscope, digital microscope. I'll show you when I solder in chips like this. It's very essential equipment to see these tiny terminals to solder correctly. And this is also another useful equipment, the magnifying glass. Can mobile this lens, and another essential part is the circuit. So I get printout from my KiCad software, and these are the PCBs. I get these PCBs manufactured from China. Later you will see how to design this KiCad PCBs, and how to get the manufactured PCBs from China. And let me show you that this is my another essential equipment, my multimeter, and let me show you something. This is very compact space, so I had to make this very small. This is my workstation. So these are the locker, my hand tools locker, and there's another locker here. So some you see what's in there. There's some PCBs and some circuit boards, and when I do my repairs, it's very essential. And this is like a small, I fix this to this table because these all the terminal, these wires and terminals and everything, so I had to put in the so it's I can put in here. And this is another very useful thing, because this is I used for clean these PCBs after soldering. So I will show you how to use this as well later in my videos. And another thing, these are my other equipments, how I arrange this. Some in here, some PCBs, and here some wires and some components, and let me show you something else as well. This is in here, all my components here, some components, chips and microcontrollers, and all the components I can easily reach when I do my repairs. And some switches, and here's some what's in here, let me show you. It's some else, okay, in that displays here, and all I put all these components boxes here, so I can easily reach here. And here, what's in here, sometimes I need this pliers and these G clamps and everything here, so I can easily reach when I do the repairs. So another funny thing here, my chair doesn't have the rest for my back, so I removed it because, and so when I do my repairs, sometimes I need to lean the other side to take the other equipment. So even though I can rotate this, because the space is very small, it's little bit of uncomfortable, so I removed it. And my plug bay, the power supply power point, is the other side of the wall, this wall, so I need to take these power supply cables to the other side of the wall, so I need to get this extension cord to get the power from the other side of the wall. So basically this how I arrange my the workstation, SMD workstation. So in my the next video you will see how I soldered these chips, the SMD soldering, and the through hole soldering some here, and how I finished the circuit soldering. And you will see how to design these PCBs using KiCad, and how to program using MPLAB software, the chips, and many more. So thanks for watching, and hope you will get some idea from my this workstation. Thank you. Have a great day.